Creams recipe. This is so simple and easy. You want to take 250 grams of icing sugar and make sure that it is well sieved. Then add 4 teaspoons of water and mix it round till it's almost like pebbles. Then in another bowl, get half a teaspoon of peppermint extract along with 2 teaspoons of water and 4 teaspoons of corn syrup. Don't worry if you don't know where to find it, I'll make sure there is a link in the description for you. Then just make sure that it is all mixed and combined together. Then you want to add that to the icing sugar mixture. Give it a real good stir around and eventually it will all come together as a clump in a bit of a ball. Then get some grease-proof paper and a baking tray. Just add a little bit more icing sugar because this will help the mint patties stop sticking. You'll see here I'm just taking a lump and a roll of the mint pate and I'm just popping it down onto the tray. Keep doing this till you've used up all the mixture. Now what I've got here is actually a coffee tamperer, but you could also use the bottom of a jam jar. Just pop it in some icing sugar and then just press down on each of the little patties. Place it in the fridge for half an hour to harden up. Now I've got 200 grams of dark chocolate here and it's the good 70% variety. I'm just breaking it up and I want to melt it. You can use a microwave, but I like using the bain-marie method, and that is simply just taking hot water in a saucepan, placing it on the stove and letting it melt down. Just make sure that the bottom of the bowl doesn't touch the water. Now you'll see here I've got some silicone liner. This is really good for stopping things sticking, and again I will put the links to it in the description. Now all I'm going to do is just pop this peppermint cream into the chocolate and make sure it's coated all the way round. And the best way to do that is with 2 forks, otherwise you're going to end up with some very messy fingers. Let it drizzle and drain off so that you're not wasting any extra chocolate. And you'll see here I'm adding some extra decorations. That's for the husband because he likes them with crunchy bits on top. Yeah, you've heard it all. Anyway, just use up all the mixture and you will have got some beautiful little chocolate peppermint creams. Don't forget to subscribe so you know where you found this recipe. Plus, the full written recipe is on my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.